All right, good evening, GED Math 2 students. Tonight and Thursday, we're going to be working decimals. There are two different modules that I'm going to give you. This is just kind of the introductory one. So we'll start off, as is usual, with the multiplication exercises. And as always, the answer keys are at the bottom of the page on every practice worksheet I give you. And also, again, I've been getting a lot of questions about this. I've tried to make this clear. You're not turning anything into me. All of this is just for practice. You do this on your own time and your own pace. Um, I don't need to see this. You guys know what you're getting right and what you're getting wrong. If you have questions, that's the purpose of our weekly meeting. So, uh, there you go. You're not turning anything in. These are PDFs. They're not meant to be fillable. So that's all right. So fractions is parts. And again, if YouTube doesn't cooperate, hit this title. It'll link you right over to the video. I'll give you a little bit of a visual. What is a fraction? What is it? So what is the fraction of a shaded area? Let's take number 6 here. So one area is shaded kind of bluish. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction of the shaded area is 1 over 5. Now let's check that answer. Number 6, 1 over 5. There's one area, one part of it shaded. There are 5 parts in total. Let's try number 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded, so 4 over 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 8 parts total. 4 over 8, or 1/2 of the circle is shaded. So let's check number 3. 4/8. We'll work on simplifying, but yeah, 1/2 would also be a correct answer. All right. So again, more practice just with rectangles instead of circles. Again, click on this if that Canvas doesn't cooperate with you. Fractions are division. And that's really all they are. You have a number over another, the numerator over the denominator. 4 divided by 8. You set that up. That's a division problem. That gets you to the simplified version, 1/2. So we need to practice converting decimals to fractions. So let's keep it simple here. So 0.36. 36 over 100. Now they might have simplified it. I haven't checked the answer key on this. Yep, 36 over 100. And you can simplify that further. Dividing by 2. 36 over 100. 0.9, number 6. 9 over 10. Wouldn't be 9 over 100. That wouldn't make any sense. If there's one digit, there should be an equivalent number of zeros. So 9 over 10, right? If there was 90 here, 90, there was a 0 here, 90 over 100. So number 6, let's see, 9 out of 10, yeah, good. And I'll explain the different types of fractions and decimal numbers. You'll do some adding of fractions. We'll get a little more complicated with it, but we need to start out simply and build our skills. So 1 really plus 2 equals 3. Now with these parts, the denominator rather never changes. It's always 4 over 4. So 3 over 4. It will never be 3 over 8. All right, that's a very common mistake. So the denominator stays the same. All these problems. It's the numerator that changes. And I encourage you to simplify if you feel comfortable doing so. If you don't feel comfortable simplifying yet, then don't. So 8 out of 10 divided by 2. Well, 8 out of 10 is 4/5, right? They don't simplify it in the answer key, but if you want to simplify, please do. So that is tonight. That should take you the full class. And yeah, fractions, night 1. Night 2 gets a little more complicated. As always, after the meeting, if you're still confused, I've got my phone. I'll be sitting at this desk till 9 o'clock. All right. Good luck. Reach out if you need me. Thanks.